Good afternoon, Bob, Trade Genius here. It's the 17th of July, and I'm going to show you a few charts. And I just want to let you know the special I'm running till tonight. If you go ahead and purchase the day trading money machine, I'll show that to you in a second. But I just wanted to show you here. This is oil. I showed you yesterday the ES when you get these slingshot trades, and here we got a slingshot trade that was confirmed by stochastics. You have to take this trade. Either you can go long binary options or you can go long oil contract, and it just grinded higher all day. And so yeah, the special is what I'm going to do is for $2.99 you get this software. If you'd have took that oil trade today, that was about $1,000 trade, and you get the software, and for $29 a month in addition, you get access to the trading room for a year, and then also you'll be able to get the video courses 1 through 12 from us, how we do all our setups. So you have till tonight. I just want to point that out to you. Take advantage of it. You'll really love the software. Puts you in control. You don't have to wait for signals from me or anybody else. You see the signal. It's high probability to take. Put a normal stop on there and run and go. Now going back to the software here, I mean the signals here, is that we had the ES after the news from Netflix, is that we had a dip down early and then they just pretty much ramped it all day. I was looking for actually a 1 to 2% sell-off early this week. We'll see if we see if it sells off later this week. Tomorrow probably not, because Powell speaks again in all likelihood, but I've seen it before where it goes up one day, down the next. And then we had the yen just pumping today. They shorted the yen hard, and they also shorted the VXX pretty hard, although that's coming back. And so one thing just to bear in mind here is that the SPY likes to follow the yen, but oil did not behave like the yen likes it to. They usually, when they can short the yen, they can also get oil to go down. Oil went up today. They don't like that in Japan because that just makes the cost of manufacturing and living too high. So we'll see if they follow up on it tomorrow. And then flipping to the market here is that, and here's another look at SPY, is that SPY's at the top of this channel here, and it peaked out and it came back in. So if it breaks down, we're going back down to here. I have SPY puts on for the end of July, and I've been selling against them every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and tomorrow I'll take off that sold leg as well and then roll it into Friday. And my expectation is that quantitative tapering will take hold and we will drive this price down. What I don't know now is if this is kind of an F flag, kind of a flat flag, and they're going to push it up higher first. I'll just have to wait and see on that. Although we got overbought again, we're overbought again here too. So we'll see. And then flipping over to the miners, I went ahead and put a trade back on Nugget at 23.02. I think it's the bottom for now for the miners again, and we'll see if we can take a trade and make it up to 24. Yesterday we bought GG, and that trade's positive, and that's bull flag too. So those are the two trades we put on the last 2 days. I'm really light right now. The only trade I have on really of significance is First Majestic, and that got absolutely hammered today. But I hold this thing long term, so I'm just going to wait on it again. It's way overbought. I mean oversold, and so I'm just going to let it come back up again. It's just been a great trade for us for the year. We had 50% move on it from February to when we sold it last week. And we bought back in here on the bounce of VWAP, but then it just sold off pretty hard. But I'm not going to close the trade. If miners are going to turn around, First Majestic will move up very fast. Here's a trade that I'm not in, but I wish I can get in, but it just won't let me get there, is that We have Goro's it's just been like on a train track. It's just amazing. I wanted to come down to VWAP so I can buy it. It's just not letting me do it. And other than that, you know, we either been stopped out or I'm just waiting on it right now. One thing I'll show you, because I know the Bitcoin made a move today, is that Riot really ripped, squeezing the shorts pretty hard. It's really speculative trade, and but something to watch if this thing starts to turn. This is kind of a canary in the coal mine for the cryptos, and also Square kind of fits in that category too, and that's held up pretty well. Not in the trade, and but it's something you watch here, because if it's now right here, a high consolidation, looks like it's forming a cup and handle here, and if it breaks up to this 68 area here too, you know, this is 7-point move. It could take it up to $75. Just bear in mind for Square. And then I'll circle back to you guys tomorrow. And then also, I just want to address binary options. We put a trade on today. That trade failed. We put a hedge on today, and it got back down to my hedge price. I got out of the trade, so we took a full loss on the first trade, but it was an at-the-money trade. So I'm just going to take a step back here on some of these binaries and let the European market close. They've just been squeezing out after the my ranges tell me to buy or sell. So I'm just going to go ahead and hold off until after Europe closes here, and see if we can get some better setups here. So basically for the month, you know, we're 4 wins, 5 losses. This week we're 1-1, and we're 22-9. And so I just want to put that out to everybody so everybody knows where we stand on that. And I'll circle back with you guys tomorrow. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Bye-bye.